Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. Today I went ahead and filmed a get ready with me for all you guys that have been wondering about this hair. I'll be talking about the hair in the video, you know, just doing my makeup for y'all, and then the outfit and accessories, of course. This video was partnered with Ana Luisa Jewelry. So before we get into get ready with me, I want to go ahead and talk about them really quick. Ana Luisa Jewelry is a fine jewelry brand that's based in New York, and they went ahead and sent me two pieces, which is this beautiful gold chain necklace that I got. And they also sent me these beautiful gold earring hoops. The packaging came in this box. I'm not flipping it around because it has my address and stuff on it. This is the packaging, super pretty and minimalistic for those of you that like to keep packaging. Honestly, I would definitely keep this and reuse it for a lot of stuff, like just to hold the jewelry in, because it's really nice. So I got a white one and a black one. Got a white one and a black one. I'm a dumbass. But it's like a velvety kind of texture. I did not wear the earrings with this outfit today because I explained it later on in the video, so just watch and hear. Get to the end of the video basically so I can explain it to y'all. These are what the gold earring hoops look like. They're not cheap looking by any means. Like, their jewelry honestly looks, it's just very nice, luxury looking, high quality. They're also eco-friendly. They use 100% recycled gold in each of their products, so that's another good thing. Honestly, there's a lot of good things about this brand. I'll make sure to leave the link to the company so you guys can pick out your jewelry that you want to go ahead and wear or give to a loved one, or honestly rock for yourself. I'm gonna go ahead, if you guys want to see how I got this entire look, the outfit, how I paired everything, more accessories that I'm gonna wear besides the Ana Luisa jewelry, then just keep on watching. Hey my kings and queens, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with this hair because let me back up because y'all don't need to see all this travesty going on. It's not cute. Yes, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I, like, you know, revamp my hair every morning, because when I wrap it up with my little scarf on the edges, you know, it gets kind of shifty and it starts shifting the atmosphere every night, especially after I take a shower and like all the steam gets to it. It don't look the same. So first and foremost, I like to fix my baby hairs and whatnot on my wigs. You guys, this hair came from Megalookhair. Right now it don't look like nothing, but y'all have been seeing these pictures all over my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, please make sure you follow me. The link to this hair will be in the description box for you guys. I definitely bleached it and then colored it this color by Adore right here. I did not record me coloring this hair, which was a big mistake on my part. I'm very sorry. I'm so sorry. It is the 13x4 lace frontal in the style Jerry Curly in inches 22. I'm gonna be brushing it out and everything to show you guys like the true length of it. As I fix the hair, I'm gonna be telling you guys like what products I use. I always start off with these crusty edges because right now they're not looking that great. I'm just gonna use some clips to push this hair out of the way. Make sure you have a hot comb. This is a hot comb I got from Walmart. I honestly had just had it shipped to me from Walmart because I couldn't find it like in Walmart, like the actual store. So I just went to walmart.com and had it shipped. All I use is my little edge brush, the comb side of these type of edge brush. Please don't look at the other side. That shit is the comb side of this brush to comb out these hard behind edges, and then I use the Got to Be Glued. I honestly think I should be using a different gel because that's probably why my edges are always so hard in the morning, but nothing else works. It doesn't stay. Nothing else stays, and everything else be turning white. Not really much to say. I'm just gonna literally be combing out. I'm gonna speed past this so you guys can just see it sped up, and then relaying them back down. So, and y'all will see that. And I'm also probably gonna fix my part because my middle part is like over here and it should be in the middle.
Digits on the beat.
Definitely look a lot more presentable. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start on fixing this part situation because this middle part ain't no middle part. Like, it's not. I'm gonna pluck it some more too, because like this is just the middle part is just not it for me. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and speed past this part too, but I'm just gonna go ahead and fix this part. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Grwm wax stick and just all the flyaways, because I just created a new part. We're just gonna lay it down. And also I like to go in this section, like in this area, and put it on that hairline, or on the edges basically, to like have it nice and sleek, and lay it down. Gonna go on this side. It looked like I already hot combed it, but I didn't, all because of the Grwm stick. I'm gonna take my hot comb. On the 20 setting, it does get pretty hot, so I'll make sure you just be careful and don't let it sit on your head, because I've burned myself. Now I'm just going to be going ahead and taking some concealer and just like putting it in the middle part. So I'm taking like Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Caramel. It doesn't have to be like a light shade. I just am going to use this shade just to see what it looks like, honestly. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. I always start off with my eyebrows when it comes to my makeup. Y'all already know this. I'll do them on camera. I never do them on camera anymore for y'all, but I'll do them on camera. I do have an eyebrow tutorial though, so I'm probably gonna speed past me doing my eyebrows. But like I said, all I use, like I always use, I use the Wet n Wild eyeliner pencils, and I use the shade Simma Brown, and then I use Allegro Pro concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze or Chestnut and Toffee, and I'll show y'all what those look like. I do not use expensive products to do my eyebrows. You already know this pencil is $1. I will link up above if y'all want to see like a full in-depth tutorial where I talk through how I do my eyebrows. I will link that up above for y'all to check out.
Bitch, disgusting.
Now my eyebrows is looking crazy, looking like gummy worms, but don't leave. Don't leave. Don't get discouraged, okay?
It ain't over until God says it's over.
It ain't over. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face with the Angel Veil primer. I don't really like how it leaves like a white residue on my face because it is a white primer. Y'all drop in the comments down below primers that you think are beneficial for combination skin. My skin does get oily throughout the day. Y'all let me know. With my Sasha Buttercup setting powder and just put some powder on top of my primer, so basically like priming my primer. Is that what it is? Basically setting my primer so that I don't have as much oil throughout the day. Taking my Real Techniques Face Expert brush, I'm just going to put the powder all over my face and just buff it in. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the concealer on my face. I am doing a concealer look today. I don't want to put on foundation. I'm basically taking the concealer from the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut, and I'm just going to put it in all the areas that I would apply like my foundation and stuff, but really like under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, forehead, top of my lip, and my chin. So basically everywhere. I don't have any more on my back of my hand, so I'm just gonna take the bottle and just, ooh, wrong shade. I'll take Chestnut and like put it everywhere else, so like on top of my lids, above my forehead, or on my forehead rather, top lip, and chin. I'm just gonna take my little e.l.f. sponge and just spritz it with some rose water really quick. Go ahead and start blending this in. I'm gonna go ahead and, because as you guys can see, my face is very one-dimensional looking right now. It's just looking very flat, very boring, very pancake. I'm going to take some Maybelline Baby Concealer in the shade 65 Coffee or Cafe. Nice little chocolatey brown kind of color. As you guys can see, it's a red undertone. So I'm gonna put that there. Just kind of lifting up my skin a little bit and give it some dimension instead of it being so one-dimensional. Taking my Face Expert brush, but the Rose Gold collection from Real Techniques. So I went ahead and bronzed up my skin and made sure that everything under my eyes are like nice and blended out, so that like there's no creases when I set my face. So I'm going in with the Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just going to set all the concealed areas. Wow, I just realized I started doing my eyes without telling y'all what I'm doing. So that's how much I'm so used to like doing my makeup and not having to worry about talking about stuff. But anyway, so I'm using the Warrior 2 Juvia's palette, my favorite neutral eye palette. Disregard the fact that there's nothing there. That broke, sad story. But I'm gonna take the shade Yodit and Kufuru and just put that on top of my eyelids. I made sure to put concealer on my eyelids so that it wasn't like I wasn't gonna put eyeshadow on top of like creased up concealer. So make sure to blend out your concealer and add some if you need to before you apply your eyeshadow. Be using the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami bronzer, my favorite bronzer of all time. Such an amazing formula, honestly. So I picked up this new Milani blush because I know y'all are tired of me using my eyeshadow on my palette. So I got this Milani brush. It's in the shade Berry Amour. So pretty. It's super super pretty. It has like gold specks in it, if y'all can see that. Super pretty. Blush brush, and just apply it on my cheekbones, swivel it on in there, and it definitely gives a light little glow because there's gold specks in it. Put some lip liner on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face before I put on highlight. I've been learning that, you know, spraying your face and then applying the highlight, it just gives another. I'm gonna take the same eyeliner pencil that I use for my eyebrows and just put it on my lips. I'm just gonna take my little fan and cover up my lace. I'm gonna be taking my new favorite setting spray. It's like a continuous mist instead of like, you know, it goes all over the face. So okay, it's the Morphe continuous setting mist, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this all over the face so that I can go ahead and do my highlights. I know y'all see that. Do y'all see my skin? Not that I need the highlight. I'm kidding. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my favorite Milani strobe light highlight. It's in the shade Glowing. I don't even know why I look at the back anymore. This is the same highlight that I've always used. I love this highlight. So y'all are gonna see it continuously. We're gonna have to blend that out. That's not cute. But it is beaming. Wow. Do y'all see? I am going to spray my face one more time.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but I got it. Come here.
It's okay for you to interrupt. My bad, y'all. My roommate was leaving. I love you, Angela. Please be safe. This is how the skin is looking. Very nice and bronze from head to toe. Thank you. So I'm gonna use my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Praline on the bottom lip. So pretty. Then we're gonna do my clear gloss from Glambox Cosmetics. It's a Black-owned brand. I will leave her in the description. I featured her in the last video, I think, and absolutely love this lip gloss. The favorite mascara that I like to use right now at the moment is the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and obviously it's in black. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on my eyes. All right, y'all, this is the finished look. Just whenever I want to get cute, but I don't want to do too much. That might be a lot to some of y'all, but this is not a lot to me. I don't even have on lashes. So yeah, this is the look that I like to do for the basically my concealer look. A little updated with a couple of new products that I threw in there. So yeah, and then this is this hair. Do y'all see? I'm giving the girls Simba. I was about to say Timon and Pumbaa. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my clothes and then my accessories and stuff, and I'll be right back. So I am back with the outfit on. It's just this cute yellow two-piece set. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Cute yellow two-piece set that I got from Fashion Nova. It's kind of see-through, so I'm probably gonna change into some change into some black underwear because it's just a little bit see-through. But this is what the two-piece looks like. Very cute. Also, thank you, big shout out to Megalookhair for sending me this beautiful Jerry curly wig. I love it. If you guys have more questions about this hair, please feel free to comment down below. All right, you guys, thank you so much for making it all the way to the end of this video. If you guys liked it, if you like to get ready with me, then please give this video a huge thumbs up. I love each and every single one of you guys. Thank you so much for making it all the way to the end of this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye.